Hey guys, so today we are visiting different waste centers. We're at a place called Tower. The agenda today mainly is just to onboard the waste centers. The main aim is to educate them on how our platform works and the purpose of the platform. The problem we were witnessing is that there is lack of verification for the impact that they're doing, and we thought this could be a great opportunity for us to develop something in the Web3 space. We're about to explain how they can log in their data on the platform, and the whole purpose of logging in their data, of datafying the impact. It is to verify, to measure the impact, to verify the impact, to bring proof to the great work that they're doing on the ground. The bigger picture is to turn the waste into products, right? So we want to turn this waste into products, into new things, to add value to the plastic, to bring value back to the waste pickers, to bring value back to the waste management sector. So we saw an opportunity with the verification aspect, but also with circularity, taking the plastic and creating new products such as spare parts that are already in production right now around Sasani, eco bricks that are already in production right now in Tanzania. You know, these are all technologies that we can leverage to bring back value to this community, to bring back value to the people that are actually doing the impact.
My name's David, and I basically lead the Web3 integration side at Chatafisha. And I just wanted to explain how this information here can be used in terms of minting these carbon back NFTs as impact certificates. So as Sim explained, the information that's logged in our DApp is basically the same information that's used to mint these impact certificates in our Carbon NFT marketplace. And these NFT certificates basically act as impact once they're verified by independent third party, as well as the methodology used. And we're working on a V2 that basically is going to contain other relevant metadata in a variety of ecological aspects, such as not only plastic waste, but also regeneration activities such as agroforestry, forestation, renewable energy, and where we're going to have independent third parties as well to verify this impact, and where this impact can be generated as impact certificates.